Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. This week I'm going to make a beautiful soya bean dipping sauce. And the ingredients you'll need for that are as follows: minced pork, soya bean paste, onions, garlic, chili, lemongrass, sugar, Thai fish sauce, oil and coconut milk. So first thing up, adding the oil. Onions, chili, lemongrass, shallots, now just let them roast off a little bit, just so they're nice, beautiful and aromatic. Soya bean paste, now let all those roast off together and reduce slightly. Sugar, I'm going to leave that now until the sugar caramelizes. As you can see in the change in color due to the caramelization of the sugar. And it's at this point that I add my pork. I'm going to leave that now for a few minutes until the pork starts to colour. Coconut milk, going to let our coconut milk reduce now and let the pork cook at the same time. Should take about 15 minutes. So my sauce is ready, thickened down to the level I want. I got to season it with my Thai fish sauce. Now, let's have a taste. Spicy, sweet, and beautiful fermented flavor from the soya bean paste. Wonderful, wonderful. Can't wait to dip my veggies into this one. Wow. Oh. Oh, what you could call a beautiful Thai crudité. These dishes come from my Thai cookbook called the Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand, yeah? And there's over 100 recipes in this book, spliced with stories in between of my life in Thailand, as I travelled most of every corner of Thailand actually over a 6-year period, 60-70 motorbike trips. I took diaries of those journeys, thank goodness, and documented it all. Met some incredible, beautiful people learn some great recipes on the way. I do my own little touches to them from time to time, but generally authentic. And also some hairy, scary stories from my life living in Thailand. And as much as Thailand is beautiful, it's corrupt. Yeah, cops, suppliers, you name it. And when they are having to deal with bent suppliers, not all of them, but some, death threat stakes in the office and all that kind of crazy stuff. And check it out by clicking on a link at the end of the book. And new videos every week, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here right over my shoulder. Bon appetit.